Today I'm going to show you a new product that allows you to add an extra cup holder on your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y really easily without sacrificing all of the leg space in the middle. It's a one-click solution where you just fold this and it magnetically attaches to the back without sacrificing any real estate. When you bring this up, you're able to put your cups here, and you also have an additional storage space that actually puffs out, and you can store coins, you can store additional item here, and you don't even lose the USB-C or USB-A with a cover. Additionally, you still have access to your airflows, and the installation is 1 minute installation, super easy. This product was sent to us free of charge by TLER, not a sponsor, not paid, but if you do use our discount code Shiva Tesla, they increase it to 28% off, and we may make a small commission at no additional cost to you. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So how this works is super simple. If you look at it here, it has got the vents, and this here is where you have that control for the vents. So you can still control the direction of your air vents, which is really nice. They still have this cover here for the USB, so you can leave this covered and you won't be able to see either it is A or C, so this works for both. But if you open it, you will have access to your USB-C ports right here. So you can leave that covered. This is a bit darker than the original Tesla's unit, so I wish they made this grayish, but this is functional and it works. And then in the back, you just got adhesive, so you just got to remove this adhesive covers and stick it in, and that's how easy it is. Here in the bottom, if you look at it, there is a magnet. So what this does is when you are swiveling this to the back, it just sticks to the magnet. So it is super easy. You just have to push it just a little bit, and then it sticks here. So normally you would just be seeing this in the back, and if you want to pull the cup holder out, then you just pull it, and then there is a hinge right here. If you look at it in the very middle, that just locks into its place, and this does not move. So aside from the two cup holders here, you also have a mini storage here where you can put coins, you can put smaller items, and another thing you can do is you can actually pull this up. So it has a mini storage that you can use. This liner actually comes out, so it is super easy to wash in case something spills. And if you want to put larger bottles here, you can remove this and then put the water bottle directly. So let's go ahead and install this. It's super easy. As I said earlier, installing this is super easy. All you have to do is remove this adhesive cover backing from all around. There is multiple locations where they have put this adhesive covers, and once we are ready, we can just paste this in. Now, once you have removed all the adhesive cover from the back, all you have to do is I would recommend you remove this so that you can take a look at inside. This fell off, but it will go in super easily, no problem. You remove this and make sure that you have access to your USB-C or USB-A, and kind of align it to make sure that you are happy with how this is before you fully push this in. So I like how this looks at this location, at this position. Now I'm just going to simply push this in and hold it. So you want to hold it for a few seconds here, just so that all the side adhesives and the back and the front get that push so that it sticks to it. I have got a glossy carbon fiber here, so I'm a little hesitant how this is gonna go. So far, so good. If you're doing this on a cold day, perhaps put your heater on. So we are done with the installation. This is in securely. This is not coming out. It is attached to the back piece here, and this does not interfere with anything. They made this design really well so that when this is swing backed, it is actually just against this wall here. So you don't have to remove this panel. You don't have to worry about any of this. And this is really nice in a nice location, and it fits. There's not much to say about this. I love the installation. It was super quick installation, easy installation. I like when they do that. It's a very out of the box type of thinking, right? We don't often see products like this where it's really nice to have that extra cup holder, but if you don't want it, you can just put it away. I mean, that's really a genius idea, and it fits really nicely without affecting your legroom or anything. And I know that when this is up, I am 5'9", and you can see that I still have a little bit of room, but it's getting tight. But I can always do this to have that extra room, and for the benefit that I get for the cup holder, I think I like that. I mean, I still have spaces for other people here and here if I'm sitting, so it still gives you that opportunity. And and just be able to put your coffee in the middle. Here is a really nice water bottle, anything, especially if you have kids. I think this can come in really handy. So the execution, the operations, I think I really like it. I like that you still retain your USB ports, and I like that they actually made a cover for it. So it is hidden and you're able to still adjust the airflow through the back. And I can imagine that if you have a liquid that you want to keep it warm, and if the heater is blowing here warm air, I can imagine that it would at least do something to help keep that warm with a coffee cup or any other liquid here. I haven't tested this theory, but I could imagine that would happen. Same with if you have a split air for the back. So if this is blowing cold air here, if you want to keep it chilled, it might do something. I really like how this works. One hand operation. As far as the exact measurement goes, this is about 4 inches. So that's the space that you would lose. And let me see if I can put this. So with this swinged back, you have about 6 inches of clearance from here. So normally you would get about 10 inches of clearance, and with this up, you lose that 4 inches. Now, the only thing that I would have liked them to do is make this probably slightly bigger. For conical cups like this, it goes in. You can put a coffee cup like this. It goes in, no problem. But if you're trying to put a water bottle like this that are slightly bigger and they're not conical, this is not going to go in here. You are going to have to remove this liner to fit this. And that's the same problem that I have with the front cup holders as well. I have to always remove that to fit those larger water bottles there. But for coffee cups and regular water bottle, Coke cans, this will go in really easily without any issues. But that also allows you to have the flexibility here to be able to remove this liner and wash it if needed. So as always, I am really interested in knowing your feedback, your likes, your dislikes, anything you want to let me know in the comment section below so that I can pass those along to the manufacturer so they can make better product in the future. And that's the lifeline of this channel, is your feedback, your engagement with our videos, so we can bring more and more videos like this, show you not just the good about the product, but also all the bad about the product after testing it, and bring you that honest opinion about the product, show you the detailed installation guide, and show you what the product really is, not just some ad from the manufacturer. So please, please, please continue to do that. Help us grow, because your engagement helps us rank higher in YouTube's algorithm. That means we'll bring more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for your continued support to the channel. Please come back again soon for another Tesla accessory video.